All right, Algebra 1 crew. Now, remember, on Friday, all right, I went over some of the inequalities, so I'm going to do it again today. We're on lesson 3.1, inequalities and their graphs. The main thing here is, remember, when you are writing an inequality, like x is less than 3, when you graph this on a number line, all right, when it's just less than, it's an open circle and it goes that way, okay? And with x is greater than 3, all right, once again, it's an open circle going this way. And remember, it's an open circle to show you that you do not include 3 in your graph, okay? Now, let's say it was x is less than or equal to 3. All right, so we have our number line here. If it's less than or equal to, we need to include the 3. So we fill the circle in, and it goes that way. And then if we had x is greater than or equal to 3, all right, then we have our number line, and it's a filled-in circle to show that I'm including the 3 because it's equal to as well. And it goes this way, okay? Now, sometimes they'll give you inequalities and tell you to graph, and sometimes they'll give you the graph and tell you to do the inequality, all right? So let's just look at a few problems, all right? So sometimes they'll give you like words and they'll say, what algebraic inequality represents all real numbers y that are greater than or equal to 12? Well, you would just write y must be greater than or equal to 12. So that's writing an inequality from words, all right? And keep in mind, I'm doing problems 1 through 4 here on page 167, all right? Now, sometimes they'll give you the inequality, like 6x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 10. And then they'll give you numbers to plug in, and you have to plug these 4 numbers in to see if it works. All right, so first you would do like 6 times negative 1 minus 3. Is that greater than or equal to 10? Well, 6 times negative 1, that's a negative 6. Minus 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 is not greater than 10. So then you do 0. 6 times 0 minus 3. Is that greater than or equal to 10? 6 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 is negative 3. Is negative 3 greater than or equal to 10? No. So then we plug in our next one, which is 3. So we have 6 times 3 is 18. Minus 3 is 15. Is 15 greater than or equal to 10? Yes, it is. And then you do 6 times 4 minus 3. All right, 6 times 4 is 24. 24 minus 3 is 21. Is 21 greater than or equal to 10? Yes, it is. All right, so sometimes they'll give you those types of problems. All right, now, they also give you, for instance, like number 3, it says, what is the graph of 2 is greater than p? Now, if you want to rewrite this as p is less than 2, that could be helpful, all right? But when you graph this, remember, you don't need to get crazy with your number lines. I always put the number in the middle, and then I go a number on either side like that. So if p is less than 2, I have an open circle at 2 going that way. Okay? And then sometimes they'll give you a number line, and like here's negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, negative 4, negative 5, and they fill the circle in right here, and they go this way. All right? So if they want us to write an inequality based on that, well, you can just choose any variable. I'll just choose x. All right? That means x has to be less than or equal to negative 3. Remember, we're including the negative 3 here, okay, because it's a filled-in circle. All right, so hopefully this helps. You can read through the section and look at the notes, but it's very simplistic. I hope everybody's having a great day.